So I'm out here at a job today for an iiNet customer who's just got an ADSL line put in. Basically, the new connection had they said just plug it in and it should work. So that's what they did, but it didn't. So they sent a tech out from iiNet, and basically you come to this socket here and he said, oh, the cable's old and you might need to replace it because it doesn't work. But that's true. This is just a cord that runs over to there. You can see there's like a plug there, right? That's all that is. That just runs over the skirting here. There's no leading cable, right? So he's just come and tested it and said, oh, no good, it's your problem, it's internal. But he didn't even look for a leading cable, right? So as you can see, I've got my F-set connected to that there. But here in the garage, so here you can see there's a lead-in cable, right? And that was just like that. And that's just running up into the roof space there. And you can see there's another cable there, which is actually a phone cable. Now, this cable has no data on it. So he's with iiNet, so I thought maybe it's naked DSL because there's no dial tone on it. I wasn't sure if it's naked or ADSL. But there's no dial tone and no sync on either of those blue-white or the red-black pair. As you can see, I've used my tester here. Now what I also did is I put on an F-set here, sent a tone through that. I went out to the pit at the front, and there's no tone getting out to the pit at the front, okay? Also went back into that socket inside that I was just at, put my F-set on that, and just to see if that was connected, you know, in star somewhere along the route, and that got back out to the pit, but that doesn't go out to the pit. So this is a network issue because basically there is no signal from this leading cable back out to the street. And this house is this place is sort of divided into two. So you've got 102 there and 102A and 102 here. And this other customer here, they're connected via, looks like optic cable. So there might be some leading cable issues here. So this will have to go back to your iiNet. You're going to need to send out a technician to actually come and properly work this out. And possibly put in a new leading cable, or they might have to get out of this contract because you can't supply them with the service. Thank you.